Put a tampon on your feet, and the next day, you won't believe the results. We all know the main use of tampons. However, in this video, I'm going to teach you a trick that will change your life. It's very easy and quick, and this tip is sure to bring you great results. If you're one of those people who have problems with corns, ringworm, foot odor, or cracked feet, then this video is especially for you. And for this simple tip, we're going to use a tampon. If you wish, you can even use two, one for each foot. First, remove all the packaging from the tampon. And now I'm going to reveal the big secret of this tip. The main trick is to use toothpaste. That's right. And it can be any kind of paste, whether coloured or white like this one. And the ideal amount for this tip is just 1 spoonful. So add this amount to a container of your choice. And if you're using 2 pads, double the amount. After adding the toothpaste, we'll also need baking soda. Add a spoonful and then mix until smooth. And just by using these 2 simple ingredients, you'll bring health back to your feet. It's very practical and you'll spend next to nothing, as you probably already have these ingredients at home. Once everything is well mixed, simply distribute the mixture completely on the absorbent. And when applied directly to the soles of the feet, the toothpaste will be responsible for removing all the bacteria and calluses. On the other hand, baking soda is totally suitable for removing bad smells from the feet. Once everything is well distributed on the pad, just let it dry until it absorbs all our mixture. After this time, you can remove all the adhesive parts. Once you've done that, you'll now need a sock. Start by turning the sock inside out and then stick the absorbent to it, leaving the mixture side up. This tip is simply incredible. I'm sure you'll love it, as you'll notice excellent results from the very first application. Now, all you have to do is put it on your feet. This tip is very suitable for people who wear shoes for a long time. But if you prefer, you can also do this process at night. This way, the mixture will act while you sleep, thus taking care of your feet while you sleep. So it's really worth giving it a try. You're sure to love it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to do it at home. I'm sure you'll come running back here to thank me, especially after you notice the great results on your feet. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video.